Hey guys, it's me again, and today I'm going to be reviewing my Angry Bird plush toys. Okay, so first we have a yellow bird keychain. Yeah, he's cool, you know. So we have that. Then I have this black bird, kind of big, talks. No. If you have Angry Bird plush toys, then it says the same stuff that it does as yours. I don't know, whatever. Then I have this Halloween edition Blackbird. It has like Frankenstein, stitches, and talks. So, yeah. Got that. I have a pig. Talks. Yeah. And I have a Blackbird keychain. It's cool. Okay. I have a Bluebird keychain. Okay. I have a Redbird keychain. Oh, sorry, I didn't show it. I didn't realize. Yeah. Okay, I have a pig keychain. I think this is the last of the keychains. So, yeah. Alright. I have this Blackbird plush pencil topper. It's like a plush pencil topper, I don't know. My mom got it somewhere. I have this pig, Halloween pig, with a pumpkin hat. I actually got this, I think when my Elf on a Shelf came back, he got it for me and it was sitting on my bed. So, yeah. Pretty cool, I like it. What's next? Oh, I have a yellow bird plush toy. He talks. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Okay. A red bird plush toy that talks. I have this little, I don't know if it's Halloween or Valentine's Day. It's like this devil red bird. It has like a tail, some horns, and it talks. Yeah. And I also have this, like, wizard, I don't know, I think it's for Halloween. It's like this wizard yellow bird. No idea what the heck. It talks. I have no idea why they put a wizard hat on him, but you know what, alright. Then I have this Bluebird plush toy that talks. Yeah. Then I have this Whitebird plush toy that talks. Yeah. Okay. I have this big giant red bird with a Santa hat on, bigger than my head. Does it talk? No, it does not talk. It's pretty cool. Oh wait. I also have this big red, white bird Santa hat. And no, it does not talk. Okay. I have this King Pig plush that talks. I like it. It's cool. And there. Oops, white bird fell. And then this is my favorite plush that I have, the boomerang bird. And he does not talk. Okay, and this actually I like more than the boomerang bird, and it is a plush Angry Bird slingshot. Ooh. I do not know. Santa got this for me. I do not know where he got it. An Angry Bird plush slingshot. It actually works. I'll show you. Oops. Okay. So I have it in the slingshot. Okay, I'm going to pull it back. Wait, sorry. Okay, I have it in the slingshot. So did you see it fly past? And this is really cool. I love it. Alright, and that's it. So, thanks for watching, and bye.